This for sure ain't no bait fish. Off the sabiki rig. What are you? We're going on like 6 minutes now. This is crazy. This is light line we're playing with, so I'm really not trying to snap it. So we're just gonna let it run and tire itself out. Hopefully here soon. My forearms are kind of burning. It's a carp.
A catfish.
Whoa.
Carp. It is an Asian carp.
Oh my goodness. These fish are one of the best fighters I've ever faced. Look at that beast. All right, 16-pound silver carp off the sabiki. This was a heart racing fight and a monster catch. Let's go.